video, we're going to take you through the advanced features of TapeTrack Lite. If you navigate to the TapeTrack Lite install directory, you'll see 4 files that you can use for various functions. These files are the tmss10 ping command, the list sample text file, the log prefix text file, and the volume auto text file. The tmss10 ping command provides a command line utility that you can use to check connectivity to a TapeTrack server. To execute the utility, get the Windows command prompt up and simply type tmss10 ping along with the name of the TapeTrack server you want to check. This program will return a 0 return code if the connection was successful and a non-zero return code if the connection is unsuccessful. So you can use it in automated scripts to check the availability of a TapeTrack server. Also, it should be noted that the tmss10 ping command does not work like the conventional ping command. The tmss10 ping command does send connectioned packets to a TapeTrack server. Next, we have our list sample text file. The list sample text file can be cloned to provide lists of tapes that you would send off site on a given day. So if we rename list sample to list Monday and copy that file and call it list Tuesday, what this allows you to do is specify a list of tapes along with a description that you would send off site on a Monday. When you're sending tapes off site, you'll be shown a screen which allows you to select these predefined lists. On Tuesday, you would specify a different list of tapes. The next file is the log prefix text file. You can edit this to customize the prefix text which is at the beginning of each TapeTrack log. And finally, we have a very powerful file called the volume auto text file. In the volume auto text file, we can specify filters that determine the return date and description for various tapes. So as an example, if you wanted every tape that ended in Monday to go off site for 7 days, you would simply say asterisk dot asterisk, so any customer, any media type, dot asterisk MON, because the volume serial ends in Monday, comma, asterisk plus 7. So that means today's date plus 7, comma, and a description of Monday's backup. If you want every tape that goes off, every tape that ends in year to go off site for 7 years from the beginning of this year, you would simply say asterisk dot asterisk year, comma, uppercase M, which means the beginning of this year, plus 7, which is the beginning of this year plus 7 years, comma, yearly backup. Once this file is saved, as you scan those tapes, these attributes will automatically be set. The list is traversed from top to bottom. So if you want every remaining tape to go off site for 20 days, you would say asterisk dot asterisk dot asterisk, meaning any customer, any media type, any volume serial, comma, asterisk plus 20 for today plus 20 days, comma, all other backup.